victory.
Thanks so much.
How big is this day for cycling in general?
I think it's such an important race, especially for me, for my team, of course also for African cycling. So yeah, this is a really important moment for us.
We are now already half an hour later. What was your experience the last half hour?
Yeah, I'm just remember the finish line. You know, when I cross, still I don't believe it. You know, it's not an easy race, especially I raced this race is my first time. Even I didn't know exactly. Even I don't know all the race. I just watch in the phone or in the TV. But today, I don't know, it's unbelievable, you know, to race like this and then to go in the break. I don't know, it's not easy race, but I'm happy for my team decided for me this race to do. And then, yeah, congrats for all.
Are you surprised yourself? Because we already saw that you're a good sprinter, but races like E3, it's really a tough race today also. Did you surprise yourself to get so far in those races?
Yeah, exactly. I'm really surprised, especially Friday E3. This is my first time cobblestone. Yeah, so, and you know, I'm just keep going, and then if I see myself among the big riders, and then fighting for positioning, and then fighting for the good result. I'm really happy about Friday, but today I didn't expect to ride this and then to be in the podium. This is, you know, it's just a surprise for me also.
ቢንያም, congratulations. They say that these classics are difficult because you have to know the parcours, because it's very twisty, the roads are very specific. You don't know them, or you hardly know them, so does that mean that everything that we thought was necessary to win these races is not true? Because you come here, it's your first participation, you win, so how easy is that?
You know, I told you, it's not easy race. Yeah, even I suffer a lot, you know, I lost my positioning, and then yeah, I'm coming back again, and then there is a lot of crash in front of me, and then come back again. But my team did really good job. Yeah, they believe in me, and then they give me really huge opportunity. Yeah, and then they give me really good positioning. Also, our days is really good. I don't know the race, but I know with the radio, exactly every corner, they give us really good directing about the race. But you know, to race without experience, it's not an easy race. I'm just.
ቢንያም, what's information? What do they say within the 200 meter at the right? Can you explain now what they say?
Yeah, exactly. We already know the parkour in the bus before the start, and then during the race also, if there is some climbs, also the cobblestone, especially the narrow part, the gravel section. Before 10K, we already update us, and also if we are in not good positioning, they tell, yeah, you must go now because this is the time to pass. And then yeah, if there is some bad gravel, also if there is some bad positioning, they also tell us in the radio, yeah, you have to be in the positioning. But I say also thanks for my team. Also they come if I'm the behind, and then yeah, come now in front. You have to be in the positioning.
Done.
This kind of.
We saw pictures of you. I think it was after your silver medal on the roads in Eritrea, I guess, where you were cheered by the public and the audience. What will this do in Eritrea? Will it be on television tonight? Was it live on television? Can you tell something how this is experienced or will be experienced in your homeland? And yeah, tell us how big you are over there.
Yeah, you know, in truly, of course, we are really passion about cycling, but we just know the Grand Tours and then some big classics. But those guys, they know cycling, they know how hard is the World Tour level. But today is not live in Eritrea, but in some part of home, we have a special DSTV, and then they watch. Even my family and then my friends, they watch already. But yeah, of course, for the champion, it's really a big welcome, and today also, it's really amazing.
You're the most after Tekla. We knew Tekla. I guess this is way bigger.
Yeah, exactly. This is much bigger. You know, of course, we are in the podium, but we are not winning. Today we win, so this is really, yeah, in total it's totally different.
Nico?
Today in the final, when did you start believing in the fact that you could win?
I can't expect to win, especially even when we enter in the 1K to the finish line. I'm just keep fighting for the top 3. You know, Christophe Rapport is one of the best sprinter also, especially in the batch sprint. I'm also a bit tired, but when we go 400 and then 300, I say, okay, maybe I'm gonna try to win, because in the short explosivity, I'm also good. But yeah, when I see 250, I didn't want to wait, because yeah, if I wait, maybe they're gonna accelerate and then they give me some space. But yeah, I'm just close my eyes, just keep going, you know.
Sebastian?
Yes, with this condition, with this victory, you don't want to stay 1 week more in Belgium and doing the Tour de France?
No, I have to go back home, because of course this is also not my plan, but I wish I can stay, but I stay almost 3 months without my family, so I have to go back home.
Eric, oh.
Benny, you won last year Classic Grand Besançon Doux.
Yeah.
Today you sprinted for the win. Could you tell me what kind of rider you are as you're going to ride the Giro?
Yeah, normally, especially with my team, we are working for like today kind of races, bunch sprint, and then some hard classic races. But of course I can do also for a sprint. But yeah, sometimes I lose positioning and then I start from far, like Paris-Nice, and then I go top 5, top 6. But in totally, even me, I prefer with my potential.